What is when you obey? So the what is you cool drop for Nigra. You cool drop for Nigra. Oba prayer can't you obey? Now go on your confess on the and trouble one knows it. Why?
And
oh yeah, no person this. What is this?
And I make him bra say, you know, I didn't know akunjana ayaden at all. Yenina Anyway, I don't know, but maybe that's their campaign strategy. So I can't say much, but the can say, as much as we are heading or gearing ourselves towards internal primaries or elections, we should mind the words that we use. And I wish, Honorable Ken did not say what he said yesterday, and I'll be today. And I end running.
Now the whole thing say when you obey. So the whole thing say you cool drop for Nigra. You cool drop for Nigra. Oba prayer can't you obey? Now go on your confess on the and trouble one knows it. Why?
And
oh yeah, no person this. What is this?
And I make him bra say, you know, I didn't know akunjana ayaden at all. Yenina exactly. So it's there's no need to attack your opponent or make your opponent look like meanwhile, this is someone who has occupied one of the highest positions in the nation.
Exactly.
It's at least the respect should be there. And yes. you went there and you gave a whole history. The history was even wrong. People have come out to correct him. History don't everything he said out there was excuse my language, was non-fact. Yes, because this is a zero. He didn't do championing or headlining a campaign, no matter, because clearly they didn't do their research. So, and you go there and you make it look as if, say, losing over 2 million. No, Doctor did not lose over 2 million. Remember, we were in power for 8 years. Nanado, the second election, the first election, or when the third one, or when 2016 election, or we with over 1 million. Over 1 million votes. We understand that. But 2020, he lost some of the votes. So don't come and make it look as if, say, Doctor is the one that came and then we lost all that votes. No.
Maybe I will say, partner.
Exactly. And then you wankasa wo honorable.
As if there's no tomorrow.
Honorable. Right.
Was saying Omu and California Toby, and I say, and Omu dear, and a chrono, and Pifono, Sesioma Baines, Common Rivers, Kanyaska, a month for
Mopo
25. More free to be house.
That's aside, Crano. One Casa Chroma, what MP Hornum, one Casa constituency. Why MP
contesting that
for 24 good years?
Yeah.
You could not even train somebody or help the candidates, NPP candidates there to win. You couldn't do that. How much more, say, the whole of MPP, and the delegates should not make a mistake. Say NDC for me, we need a better way. Say, the Honorable Ken, some of your friends saying, what you call utterances are making on live TV and radio stations. Ekobo extra man for say monche or Kennedy Japan so maybe yeska or no more bang. Yes, yes. Or my man 18 years in the casa.
Or born and once every campaign.
800 million no more bo. How much more say?
Also almost this form. Or $800 million.
Hey, BA, say how much more by a campaign because Mobile sir, you 42 let's better about 2%. Mobile report. So it's all I'm saying is honorable. Nobody is saying you shouldn't campaign. You can campaign and let's do it. Let's see an opportunity opposition. We need to be able to come out of this internal and after this elections, no. And we'll see it to me coming out. But said there was 30 about me uncle from say and they are almost no votes for you because of yeah. And then as it stands now, grassroots wise, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia has more supporters than you. As it stands now. So some of your utterances, no, just remember, say, you're too internal new year. You have called general election. General elections, no. If people are angry with you, your own party members are angry with you, you are not going to win. Dr. Etiwe, on Kasentia Woda, on Koye in the campaign, even last election, say, yay, one Kasentia Woda.
Why?
It's the same as a doctor, so bad.
Never.
That's obe respond ya. Doctor in Pabonini na.
Ude sorry ya. When I also buy $1
What do you mean?
What
do you mean by say? What do you mean by say?
Why?
We don't have time to give people 3 chances. We don't have to give people someone who did not perform. Kufo, His Excellency, Papa J. Kufo, the first time or the 38% and a befie. And no sanko second time and the Papa J. Win a buyer.
Both MPP and NDC. MPP and NDC. When you be no about once. Nobody apart from all is 1992 standing here. Hey, at times I'm about 3.
See?
Kufo or about 2. Nanado or 3. Anna, I quite Muhammad on the winning or San Lucian almost uncalled 2 as well as I'm winning.
Okay.
No call once. Nobody.
It's MPP delegates, if you guys are listening, Doctor has proven himself. Doctor, he has not only shown to say or you're capable, that he's a visionary leader, but he's also shown maturity. He's also shown maturity. He's also shown us that at this juncture, he's not just telling us that we need unity, but he's also practicing it. He's practicing it with us. He is showing leadership by example. And so that is why we don't hear some of these utterances from him. The delegates, don't joke with the youth. See, listen, I know youth no yenya bro. MPP for youth no. They're in conformum when Yeni abre into your best more delegates for. Don't joke with our future. This is not the time to come and say any call first time into. No. This is not it. Remember, the NDC is also going to present a new candidate. And so we will have the upper hand. And Doctor, again, he's experienced. Nobody in NPP as it stands now is more experienced than Doctor. He's the most active politician. He's been there, he's done it, he knows the way, and he's intelligent. Please, delegates, don't let us lose this man. Papa we no bia you say no ewiase ne du no MPP mu no ono na etse ye kan se de ewiase no eko season bia ni leader edeba season bia ni leader it wants it to be there to lead the people. And as it stands right now in this season, it is Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Please don't make that mistake. Yes, and a delegate de bia me wa sem bia meka say NPP be win general elections are regional delegates. So please don't make the mistake. This is way no a crucial elections are yempe we crano just say anyway. MPP in a woman to know believe in some of these things. And they make Kakusan is honorable. Your campaign devoid of making Doctor like don't do that. Yes, now you look don't you free muko. Honorable council the anchor. You know why you're pewasem. You see, whoever is headlining the campaign, this is not the way to go to be